Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'll be reviewing the Otterbox Defender Pro Series case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. I decided to pick up this case and review it for everyone because it's one of the cases that I use for many different devices. This is probably one of the most protective cases you could buy for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. I know a lot of people that work in construction and a lot of people that do hiking will get this case just to have on their belt clip, and it will add a lot of drop protection for your phone. It's one of my go-to cases for that. It will add bulk to your phone. We'll check all of that out. It is a little pricey. It is $69. So like I said, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon or their website. I don't know if they have it listed on Amazon yet, but I will definitely have the website on there. So that way if you want to pick it up. Also in this video, I'm going to do a quick installation, give you a little tips to install this case because I know it takes a little while to install it, or even to get the phone out of the case takes a little bit too. So I'm gonna give you some tips on that and show y'all how to do that too. Like we normally do, we'll make sure you get camera protection. Do you get lip action? You know, does everything line up? How hard is it to use the case? How does the kickstand slash belt clip actually work? We'll make sure you can wireless charge also. And does it add bulk? Yes, it will add bulk too. So just the normal things you look for in a case video. But let's go ahead and get started. This is their regular packaging, the little Otter up there, the Otterbox. But it says 5-time tested military standard drop plus protection. If y'all want to pause that, you can definitely do so. But it does have a kickstand slash belt clip. It says wireless charging compatible. Let's see how you get into this. So you have some instructions in here too. Made for Samsung or designed for Samsung. But nobody cares about that. And how do you get this bad boy out? So you kind of want to slide it. So you even have more, it has more instructions on here, but I'm going to show y'all how to do it. So here's the belt clip. Nice, you know, nice belt clip. Let's take it off. We'll come back to this. I'll show you how to use this as a kickstand too. But here is the case that you are looking for. It has these little grips on the side. It has the grip on the back too. A little brand in there, Otterbox. It also has the grip on this side too. Defender Pro Drop Plus protection there. It has this soft material on the inside of it too. Bam. So this is a 3-piece case. How you want to install it, you have to take it apart first. So what I do, I like to go by the charging port here, kind of pull the plastic, or the rubber, I'm not plastic. Pull the rubber off of the plastic. So you have this piece here, this is the rubber. And then this is where the tricky part is. These little clips, wherever you see a little arrow here, 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 even here, here and there, you can see all the clips, see? You want to kind of get your fingernail in there and kind of just pull them apart. Don't be careful though. You don't want to break the plastic. And you just go around until it comes apart. And then once it comes apart, you want to just put your phone in here. I like to put my phone in this piece here. So you put your phone in this piece. Then what you need to do is line up this piece here to all the clips and just make sure. The easiest way to tell it, you have a little earpiece here, so you know this is going to the top. And then you just want to make sure that you clip all the clips around. You're going to hear them snap in place. So now your phone is surrounded in the plastic. So there you go. I'm going to wipe off my display. So the next thing you want to do is put this part into the rubber. And I start at the bottom, but you want to be careful. You just want to kind of work it around Get it all the way around pretty good. Make sure all the buttons are in there. Because if you don't get the rubber all the way around, then the buttons don't work. But once you have it in there, there you go. And then the grip. Let's talk about the grip. The grip, the grip, the grip. So if you're prone to dropping your phone, this rubber right here gives you the extra grip that you need. Let's try out the buttons next. The power button feels nice and tactile. The volume buttons work great, nice and easy to press. The overall camera protection, look at the camera protection you get. You can see you get a lot of protection there. The microphones up here are cut out. You can see right there that the microphones are cut out. At the bottom, you have your speaker right here, and then you have a cutout for the microphone, and your tab is there for the USB. Gives you a little bit of, protection from dust. Now in the pen slot, it comes down all the way here. Check that out. So you should be able to go and just pull the pen out without any issues. And then look at the lay down protection you get. Look how much it is. That is, a lot. So if I lay something down and say I put this in here, you get, look, it's going through there, so you get protection. It's not touching the bottom of my table there. So you get a lot, even on the corners. Even on the sides, you get some. That's a lot of protection, a lot of lip protection all the way around there. Again, how does it fit? It fits in there because it's a two-piece case. There's nothing, the phone is not moving around at all. And then if you want to uninstall it, you do the same thing. You just take it around, move the plastic, the rubber, take the plastic apart too. And drop protection. You shouldn't have to worry about dropping your phone at all because you have an Otterbox on there. Now, can you wireless charge? Let's check that out too. I don't think you'll have an issue. You can wireless charge with the Otterbox Defender Pro on your phone. So that's another thing. Now the belt clip, I don't really use the belt clip, but if you did, now you have a belt clip. But the best part is if you press this in and get it to snap, you have a kickstand. So now you have a kickstand for your phone, and the belt clip works good too. If you use it, there you go. You have a belt clip. I don't really use the belt clip, so I take it off. So overall, just to recap, you can wireless charge. The fit is great because it's a 3-piece case. Everything lines up at the bottom here. Extra grip. The buttons are nice and tactile. You get the camera protection and the lip action that you look for. So overall, it marks a lot of different boxes off what you look for in a case. Again, if you want to pick this up, I will have the links in the description. You can definitely pick it up, support the channel, but also, mostly the thing that you want to do is protect your investment. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.